Hi, Mini Beanies, and welcome to our podcast. If you enjoy some of the songs you hear in our stories, then head to our YouTube channel. It's full of music videos so you can sing and dance along with us. They're lots of fun, and there's a lot of different dances and nursery rhymes too. Just head to youtube.com/@thebeanies. Now on with the show.
Hi, Mini Beanies.
It's the Beanies here.
That means you're with
Laura.
Mim,
and Michael.
today we might take a trip around the world.
Learn how to make spaghetti.
Or take a ride on an elephant.
But we know that we'll hear from Professor Know-It-All.
Hello, Beanies. Let's get on with the show.
Yay! Today we're going to talk about
Rain.
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 But first, a story about rain. Little Michael hated the rain. Nothing was fun when it was raining.
You can't play outside, you can't run outside, you can't even be outside.
He complained. So Michael rang his friend Mim on the phone.
Hello?
Hi, Mim, it's Michael.
Hi, Michael. How are you today?
Bad. It's raining, so I can't go out and play.
It's raining at my house too, but I've been playing outside anyway. My mum took me for a walk. We wore gumboots and rain hats and... Hello? When the clouds get dark and grey, the weatherman is not my friend, because we can't go out and play, but sometimes I like to pretend that it's raining jelly beans, raining jelly beans, jelly beans, raining jelly beans.
Michael was annoyed. He never got to play in the rain. Michael went and sat by the window. He stared outside. It was very boring. Michael noticed the raindrops sliding down the window.
I bet this raindrop will make it to the bottom before that one. Go, 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 raindrop, faster. Hurry up, come on, go, 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 go.
Michael, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Play quietly, please.
Mom, can I go play outside?
No, it's raining. You can't go out in the rain without an adult.
You can catch those beans in your mouth, so look up high and open wide. Yellow, red as they fall south, green or blue, you decide. It's raining jelly beans,
Raining
jelly beans, jelly beans, raining jelly beans.
Michael really wanted to play outside. What a silly rule that he needs an adult with him. But that gave him an idea.
An adult.
Michael ran upstairs and put on his dad's long coat, squeezed on his mum's gumboots. Then he grabbed the umbrella and went to find his mum.
Mom. Hello, Mum. My name is Mr. Grown-Up, and I have come to take Michael for a walk outside.
Oh, have you?
Yes.
Well, that's lucky. I was just about to go for a walk too. I'll go and find Michael.
Michael quickly removed his disguise.
Oh, there you are, Michael. Mr. Grown-Up has come to take you for a walk. Why don't we all go together?
Mr. Grown-Up left. He had to go home for spaghetti.
Well, shall we go for a walk instead?
Okay.
So Michael and his mum put on their wet weather gear. They put on raincoats, they put on gumboots, and they put up their umbrellas and stepped outside.
Now, I know you don't like the rain, Michael, but do you know what I do when it's raining? I pretend that the rain is jelly beans. The clouds aren't grey, they're rainbow.
much fun pretending the rain was Jellybeans, and they didn't miss Mr. Grown-Up at all.
The end.
That story had some good ideas about what you can do for fun when it's raining.
Like pretending the rain is jelly beans and trying to eat them.
And imagining the clouds are rainbow.
I think I'll imagine the rain is Jellybeans every time it rains.
And we will never be bored again.
Yeah. But what is rain? How's it made? And where does it come from?
I don't know. Laura?
Me either.
Well, let's ask someone. How about Professor Know-It-All?
Professor Know-It-All, what is rain?
Rain.
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 Hello, Beanies.
Do you want to know what rain is? Well, I'll tell you. Yay! When the sun is out, it makes things very hot. So the water in the ocean, the pond, and even the pool gets hot too. The water sometimes gets so hot that it turns into droplets or steam, like when your mum boils the kettle. Then it floats up into the air. This is called evaporation. Can you say that with me? Evaporation.
Rain.
Let's see if I can make this easier.
E.
Vap.
Vap.
A. Shun.
Shun.
Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Good. That is a hard word, so we might need to practice it later. When the water gets up in the sky, it stays there for a while, living in the clouds. But after a while, there is so much water that it gets too heavy for the clouds to hold. So it falls back down. This is called rain.
Oh.
Then it starts all over again. The rain goes up and down all the time, feeding plants, filling swimming pools, and for people to drink.
Thanks, Professor Know-It-All.
What was that tricky word again?
I don't know.
Shun?
That's right. Let's all say it again.
Evaporation. Hey, let's sing that song about raining jelly beans again.
When the clouds get dark and grey, the weatherman is not my friend, because we can't go out and play. But sometimes I like to pretend that it's raining jelly beans. Raining jelly beans. Jelly beans. Raining jelly beans.
You can catch those beans in your mouth. So look up high and open wide. Yellow, red as they fall south. Green or blue, you decide. It's raining jelly beans.
Raining jelly beans. Jelly beans. Raining jelly beans. The clouds aren't grey, they're rainbow. We're making snowmen out of sugar snow. The thunder isn't loud, it's delicious. And the best part is you don't have to do the dishes, 'cause it's raining jelly beans. Raining jelly beans. Jelly beans. Raining jelly beans.
That was great. Let's sing it again.
And this time, maybe you can sing along.
Okay.
jelly beans. Jelly beans. Rain and jelly beans.
You can catch those beans in your mouth. So look up high and open wide. Yellow, red as they fall south. Green or blue, you decide. It's rain and jelly beans.
Rain and jelly beans. Jelly beans. Rain and jelly beans. The clouds aren't grey, they're rainbow. We're making snowmen out of sugar snow. The thunder isn't loud, it's delicious. And the best part is you don't have to do the dishes. 'Cause it's rain and jelly beans. Rain and jelly beans. Jelly beans. Rain and jelly beans.
Bye, mini beanies. And remember, you need rain to have a rainbow.
You need night to see the twinkling stars.
And you can learn something new every day if you remember to listen.
A big beanies goodbye from us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
The Beanies' beautiful tunes were written by the Beanies and the magnificent James Court.